When I started with Andis a little over 7 years ago, we were archaic and had a lot of non-existent efficiencies and systems. The implementation of Microsoft products and systems into our processes have made us a lot more efficient and allowed us to create data-driven decisions in our organization. Prior to COVID, we had a completely different telephony system. We ended up implementing a voice option that integrated right into Microsoft CE. This implementation allowed us to handle a much higher volume of calls. When COVID occurred with barbershops and grooming salons shutting down, the amount of barbers and groomers and even pet parents and human parents at home that had to begin cutting hair drastically increased. And so what this did is it raised a lot of questions with customers. Customer interactions are everything to us at Andis. Prior to implementing Microsoft Dynamics 365, we didn't have the history of customers' purchases or conversations. And with Microsoft CE, we were able to log all of those interactions right into the system. And with the increase of calls and the engagement of our team, we had more efficient and more streamlined information to provide for our customers so that we could give them a better experience. Microsoft CE and Omnichannel have allowed us to provide our customers with a more personalized and dedicated experience for them. Through all of this process, we had to move quickly. We implemented new systems and processes that we didn't have in place prior to COVID, and so we partnered with MCA and our data and technology teams in order to implement these and make all of this efficient for our internal teams. Introducing Microsoft Dynamics CE to our team was effortless. We involved our team in the beginning to understand their pain points and built efficiencies within the systems to make their everyday lives easier and provide greater experiences for our customers. I don't think we have any plans to stop with the advancements of this Microsoft platform. With the launch of Copilot and AI, we are excited to see more automation and efficiencies built into our processes. As a user of Microsoft CE, I am not afraid to ask big, and MCA has partnered with our data and technology team to really make my big ask become a reality. Customers are continually expecting different and new experiences, and MCA and the Microsoft products allow us to be innovative and creative with our solutions for our customers.